I'll let you know what to do, okay? Play
Balik
defensive.
na.
Yeah, balik ka na.
Defensive. Sige, Rebo, kayo muna.
Wait lang, muted si ano.
Hindi naman siya muted ah.
Hindi naman ah.
Be ready.
Muted.
Pleb. Ikaw mag-defend ng front ah. Dito ako sa loob ng Nick Shield.
Okay.
Pares tayo eh.
Copy, boss.
May tank sa gilid sa southwest.
End of the bridge.
Flap. Be ready. Walk.
Ay, gago dito, mama.
Come back.
The fuck?
Comes out. Hold. Be ready.
Step on the ground, guys.
Ready. Southeast shallow. 3, 2, 1. Southeast shallow now. Def together. Demon.
Move.
Come northwest.
Catch fallen.
Come northwest. Keep walking. Stay with me. We're gonna kite. Keep walking. Cycle fast. Be ready. Are they coming back? Come southeast.
Hindi. Chasing.
Yeah. Come southeast. Ready. 3, 2, 1. Southeast south. Come back. Come northeast.
Ako.
Keep walking. Help your backline. Keep walking. Occult on the crown.
Hold.
DPS, you're on my back, and then I'm still far ahead of you. Come north side. Keep walking north. Stop staying on the crown. Be ready. To those who dead, rigor fast. We're outside the HO. The fuck? Come northwest. Walk northwest side.
Rest, guys.
Are they following? Come south.
Tingnan ng mga
Oh,
nakyas.
oh.
Ready, south on the bend. 3, 2, 1. South on the bend. And then come back. Occult again. Where's my occult?
Oh, tangin ng dalawa.
Def. Full defense. That's fake. Gig now. Be ready with the gig. Keep walking. They miss. Walk in. Walk. Look at north. Yo. Keep walking northwest. Sorry. Keep walking northwest. Ready. East.
May gate pa yan, ah.
3, 2, 1. East of us now. Blow this up. And then come back northwest. Occult northwest side. Yo, keep them out from rapping.
Ano ba yung occult doon? Sabay-sabay.
Occult. Night helmets. Keep walking. Help your backline. Help flop. Help your backline. Keep walking.
May tonsong bomb sila sa Orios ah.
Yeah. Keep walking. Come south here. Down. Come south. Ready. East. Shallow. 3, 2, 1. Bakit
Ay, sorry.
Can you call?
Sorry.
Keep walking west. Can you call wait? Na-DC ako. My God. Call wait, I got DC.
Kill the mobs.
Did I die?
No.
Walang.
You're good.
Yo, we have to be quick on the defenses, boys. We're very behind on the defense. That but there was very bad, you know. I'm coming back.
Ar na
Are
ba?
my riggers here?
Oo, siyan na lang, kulang. Siyan.
Yan na lang wala.
Yant? Okay.
Yan.
Yant, I need you to come back, bro.
Sabihan ko na, R ah.
Wait, wala pa. Right, come on. Sige, we're ready. Come on, where are they?
Okay,
East.
okay.
Malapit
R
sa
now.
Terry. Ay, sa HO.
Come to me. Come on. Red, we'll play better, please. Come. Stick with me.
Yo, don't step on the crown.
Stay back from me. Be ready, come.
Yung
Dito
mic
pala
mo,
yung
guiding ball,
dismounted
grounded.
Come southeast now.
Dismounted siya, so.
Come southeast now. What are they doing? Stay with me, okay? Stay with me. Yo, Tangs, I need you to stop the rapping. Guilty ka na nga, please. Come south, come south, come south. Look, we're gonna win this.
Be careful, don't song bomb.
Careful over the wall. Come north, go north, go north, go north of me, go north of me. Careful over the wall. They're looking, they're looking. Def. I told you. South, 3, 2, 1, south on me, south on me, south on me. Blow this up. And then go back. Yo, ready defense here. Demon. Help the backline. Listen to me, help the backline, heal the backline. Come west. Keep walking west side, bedrock the south side. Keep walking west. Healers get out.
Donsong.
Healers get out middle. Help your backline.
Keep moving.
Keep walking. Pa-occult. Asan yung occults? Come west. Occult the north side. Pa-occult ng north side.
Playbook.
Nang north ko, Raybok. Hello? Oh my God. Right, I'm gonna record this. Kamas. Be ready. Kamas. We're gonna play counter. Kamas. Come west. Keep walking west. Go west of the crown. Keep going west of the crown. That's fake. Come west. Keep walking. Keep walking. Occult here now. Sige. Be ready.
Playbook ikaw muna.
Be ready. Gig pot. Northeast. 3, 2, 1. Gig pot together.
Demon at the same time.
Keep walking. Yo, hold them now. Keep holding them. Keep holding them. Yo, heal me on the back. Yo, they still have engaged, okay? Def. Keep walking. Keep walking southwest.
Keep walking.
Southwest.
Southwest.
Yan.
Ready, east. On the J. 3, 2, 1. East now. Good shit. And then keep walking southwest. Ready, defend. Hold the northwest. Def.
Heal.
Keep walking. Def. Nice. Be ready. Walk east of me.
Bam. Sigusari bam.
Niggers. Walk in, niggers. 3, 2, 1. On the bomb. Good shit. And then occult south of me. South on the crown. South. Heal full chrome on the north. Keep walking.
Playbook ikaw ulit.
Keep walking. Occult again. Keep walking. Just keep walking south.
Land.
We're gonna turn north. 3, 2, 1. North now. Come back. Defense, you're too late, motherfuckers. Spread. They're looking. Spread. West looking. Bomb squad. Bam. Nice, JA. Keep walking southwest. They miss. Keep walking southwest.
Looking.
Ready. Demon. Ready. North of me. Look at your crowd. North of me. 3, 2, 1. North of me. This is the bomb. Nice. Come back. Occult again. We're winning. Occult. Help your backline. Keep walking southwest. Occult again if you have. Night armors. Step.
Oh shit, my bad.
Ready.
Cleanse ko.
In shallow. 3, 2, 1. After the J. No. Drop it. And then keep walking south of me, west of me, sorry. Go west of me. Purity robe the ones inside you, boys. Purity robes.
Bam.
Keep walking west, boys. Keep walking west of me. Keep walking. Tell me cool down. Def.
3 seconds.
Keep walking. After the J, southeast.
Ready.
3, 2, 1. East of me. Blow this up. Good shit, DPS. Keep walking west. Hold the bombs outside. Def here. Come north. Go north. Everybody go north. Heal your backline. You're gonna come back. Ready. Demon now. Ready. Look.
May bomb sa water bridge.
Yeah. On the water bridge. Look at the water bridge.
Ako na bahala sa back.
3, 2, 1. On me. And then keep walking. I need heals. Keep walking. Demon the front. Yo, boys.
JK yung ano nila. Isa lang brim. Abot mo to.
Come southwest. Push the brim.
Heal Nixon.
Push the brim. Come southwest. Heal up here. Heal here, please.
Heal
Heal here.
Nixon.
Give us heals. Ready. End of the bridge. 3, 2, 1. End of the bridge. Headbutt. Demon together. Good shit. Look. You're gonna win this. Just keep
Heal lang
healing.
south ah.
Trust me, you're gonna win this. Keep
Nick
healing, keep
Shin,
healing.
Nick.
Come southeast, come
Ayun kasi
southeast.
Nick Shin.
Stabilize, stabilize. Occult again if you have. Occult again if you have. Occult again if you have. Occult if you have. Occult if you have. Ready, ready, ready. Now, on your count.
Headbutt, headbutt,
Nice.
headbutt.
Nice, nice. No, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine. Keep walking, keep walking. My Judy, keep healing here, keep healing here. Keep healing here. Ninj, use your boots, Ninj. Use your boots, Ninj. Come southeast.
silence. Cool down.
Silence. Yo, heal the choke, heal the choke. Keep healing the choke. Ready, defense on the choke.
8
Hold the choke
seconds
now.
kami, ah.
DA the choke, DA the choke. Nice, yo, pleb. Keep walking east here, keep walking east. Yo, west shallow. 3, 2, 1, west shallow now. On this tank. Kill him. Good shit. Keep walking east here. Look, you're gonna win this, boys. Trust me. Come west here. Come west here. Cycle. Cycle,
Jacket
come
wala,
west.
jacket.
Jackets. Dark blue, stop.
Oh,
stop.
brim bomb.
Nice, GAs. Yo, ready on the J. 3, 2, 1. On the brim. Come back. Occult 30s. Cleanse, boys. Cleanse. You have cleanses, right?
Cleanse guard rune, cleanse guard rune, cleanse guard rune.
Guard rune the front. Help your tanks. Good job. Okay, stabilize.
Okay, clear yung ano mo. Clear yung is mo.
Be ready. West shallow. 3, 2, 1. On your crown. And then come back. Occult na. Occult east.
Demonyo yan.
Ang bagal ng occult, ha? Keep walking. Help your backline. Keep walking. Where's the second occult? Raybok, asan ka na? Come northeast, Sojing.
Mori,
Come
heal mo
northeast.
sarili mo, Mori.
Wait, nandito ako.
Keep walking. We're gonna go northeast. Be ready. West shallow. 3, 2, 1. Shallow now. Hit. Come back. Occult.
Tapping on the west side.
Eh, nagra-rap mo ah.
Yeah, I see it. Keep walking.
Ako na bahala,
Bago
Yeah,
kayo,
keep walking
bahala
north.
kayo dyan. Sige na, GA sila.
Cycle fast. We're gonna hit them. Cycle fast.
Bam.
Ready. Come west of me. West of me.
BS yan.
South. 3, 2, 1. On the south, please, everybody. Nice. Good job. Go north of me. Go north of me. Ready. Yung mga nag-J sa akin, help us. Be ready. Yo,
Reset
hold the
agad,
east side.
reset
Hold the
agad,
southeast.
reset agad.
Hold the southeast. Nice stops. Guilty. Keep walking. Jaina flap. Keep walking. Tell me cool down, boys.
Cycle na kayo.
Tell me cool down.
7 seconds.
Rot ready.
Yeah, keep walking. Pa-occult. Occult your tanks.
Ready now.
No. Keep walking. Occult. Pa-occult pa. Occult pa.
Magagamit lang.
Be ready. Help flap. Nag-engage kay flap. Be ready. West of us. 3, 2, 1. West of us.
Huli yan, Bam. Nice.
Kabak northeast. Occult. Give me occult. Purity robe the color inside you. Def now.
Roll jacket.
Help for yourself.
I'm
Side mo.
Sa ano mo ah, may nag-rock na bang Curious,
We're
Sir
gonna
Nart?
hit the bomb. Gig pot.
Okay, naka-GA.
2, 1. On the color. Hit this. Nice. And then come northeast. Keep walking northeast, boys. Keep walking northeast. Occult the south.
Nag-shallow sila.
Yung backline i-occult nyo. Yung backline i-occult nyo.
Reset na kayo.
Reset fast. Come east here.
Brim bomb northwest.
Ready, yeah. We're gonna hit the brim bomb. Brim bomb, northwest. 3, 2, 1. Northwest now. Good hit, boys.
Nice.
Come east. Occult east. Occult east side of me. Occult southeast. Good job. Keep walking. Look. Help flap. Heal flap on the south. Heal him. Andito siya.
Cool down.
Heal him. Nice, good shit. Occult east. Purity robe. Good job.
Doon na,
Nice,
by doon na.
Keep walking. Yeah. You're fine. Keep walking, boys.
Content pa ako ito.
Come up. Yeah. It's fine. Keep walking. Saan na si Raybok? Come east. Southeast, boys. Southeast of me now. Okay, good job. Keep walking. Keep walking southeast. Keep walking southeast more. Keep walking.
One
Good
screen
job,
away, ah. Magpupunta sila sa bend, Orios.
No. Keep walking.
Malayo.
Keep walking. I'm waiting for the bomb.
Mounted yung sa north, yung Brim Bam sa north side.
Yeah. Be ready on the
Ito,
brim bomb.
na.
Come south first. No. Cancel. Come south. We're gonna pass the choke here. Keep walking. Black mob dismount. Keep walking southwest, boys. Be careful on choke. Keep walking.
Pag-guard ron chokes.
Keep walking. Don't Q and W, okay? Don't Q and W. Be ready.
Follow heart, guys. Follow heart.
Come us. Nice, Jay. Come west. Help your tanks. Come west side. Occult na
Wait
east.
lang pala yun.
Occult na east. I-occult nyo yung east.
Roll
Occult
step
nyo
on
yung
the
east.
ground.
You're fine.
Step on the
Be ready. Keep walking. East shallow. 3, 2, 1. Shallow now. And then come back fast. Occult west. Nice, good job. Keep walking. You're fine.
Perch yung boot.
You're fine. Yeah. Nag-fake sila. Keep walking. Nag-fake sila. Keep walking, boys. Nice stops. Good job. Help flop there.
Jay, bring down southwest. Bring down southwest.
Brim. Dap.
Nice.
You're fine.
Nice.
Keep walking. Heel is ready. Keep walking. Keep walking. Heel flap sa likod. Okay. Ready, north shallow. 3, 2, 1. Shallow on me. And then come back. South. We take south angle. We go south angle. Be ready. Nice, GAs. Keep walking, boys. Just keep walking, okay?
Push nga nito mga depth ang inside.
Just
Nice.
keep walking. Bedrock the people out. Def now. They miss. Heel flap.
Bomb southwest ha.
Bam.
Come on the north. Heal that. Nice.
May Brahms.
Heal.
May Brim sa south.
Heal. Keep walking south. Heal up. If you die the gear. Shadrach, asan ka na? Keep walking south. Keep walking. Ready,
Rock
east
sila
of
sa
me.
ano,
3, 2, 1. East of me now. And then come south. Southwest, boys. Southwest. Occult southwest. Brim bomb on the north. Occult southwest. Heel flap. Keep healing.
Isotis pala to.
Yo.
Bam.
Bam. Heal that. Southwest, boys. Southwest downhill.
Cool down kami ah.
Yeah. Keep walking. Cycle. Tell me cool down. QW this guy. Don't bonk him out. Tangina. Come. Keep walking.
Ready.
Keep walking.
Wala sa loob,
Pagka
guys.
na-isolate sa loob natin, i-heal nyo si Flap. Heel flap. That's fake. Heel flap on the east. Def now. Ready, north. 3, 2, 1, north now. On me. And then keep walking back. They're hitting. They're gonna hit.
Cycle lang kayo.
They're gonna hit. Look. Help us on the backline. Def now. Keep walking.
Yung DPS, wag na kayo mag-
Come south. DPS, keep walking south.
South daw guys. South.
Heel flap on the north. Come south.
Wait, naiwan kaming death tanks mo.
Come south. Occult
Pasandorios.
meron. Occult yung north side. I-occult mo yung tanks sa north. Be ready.
South yung Brim ha. Sa south yung Brim. South
Be
east mo.
ready.
Iwan kami
Kabila
na
ng
Sisius ha.
Be ready. Come east here. Help our boys. Heel flap. Ready, was shallow. 3, 2, 1. Over the wall. Abot natin yan. Ang bagal. Come northeast. Occult again northeast.
Wala. 5 minutes lang. Call lang.
Keep walking, boys. Keep walking. Help our tanks. Flap, ang layo nyo na sa akin. Pa-occult nga ng southwest. I-occult nyo yung tanks ko. Keep walking. Be ready. Come west side.
May nak-
Come southeast. Be ready. Ready, northwest. 3, 2, 1. Northwest now. And then come back. Night armors. Nice Jace. Come back. Help your tanks. Def. Heal us here. Come east. Take the occult.
Cycle lang kayo guys. Cycle na.
Be careful.
You're fine.
Be careful. Help your backline. Help 88. Keep walking. My Judy. Be ready. Cycle fast. Ready, DPS. Ready, west.
Go.
Yeah. Hold on. Come northeast.
Pleb. Bantayan mo ang harapan, pleb. Ako nabara sa harap.
Come northeast. Keep walking.
Op. May bomb. Nag-NV.
Keep
Sige lang.
Keep walking.
Iska.
Keep walking. East.
GA na talaga sila.
Stop your tanks. Ready. Yo, we're gonna fake.
Color. Nice one.
Mama.
Brim.
Full defense. Demon. Gig.
Kikayo.
Keep walking northeast. Heal that shit. Yo, QW that guy.
QW niya yan, no? QW niya yan.
QW this guy.
Mag-isa lang yan, mag-isa lang.
He's so far.
Yeah, patulong.
QW. Ready, west of us. 3, 2,
South.
West of us. Hit. West of us, hit. And then come back northeast. You're too late, DPS. Come northeast. Occult again. Keep occulting.
Abantayin ng
Be
south
ready.
ha.
Be ready, be ready. QW this guy again. QW this guy. QW this guy. You see this guy? And then come back northeast. Come back northeast. Keep walking. Keep walking. If you dead here, keep walking. Keep walking. Cleanse the back. Cleanse the back line. Cleanse the back line. Arcanes. Cleanse it. Cleanse it. Come, come. Keep walking. Keep walking. Keep walking. Ready. South shallow. 3, 2, 1. South shallow now. Shallow now. Shallow now. Shallow now. And then come back. 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 Good job, everybody. Good job. Good job. Come back. Come back. Keep coming 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 back. Yeah, just come back, come back north. Keep walking north, HO. No, north HO, north HO. Let me know cooldowns, DPS. Let me know cooldowns. Be ready, you're gonna kill the tanks here, okay?
Resetting pa lang, resetting pa lang.
Yeah, hold on, hold on, hold on.
Ready, ready.
Be ready, on the tanks, west side. 3, 2, 1. On me, on me, on me, on me, on me. And then come back, come back, come back. Occult north, occult north, occult north, 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 on the HO, on the
West
HO.
wrapping ah.
Duke,
West
Duke,
wrapping,
Duke.
west
Ang
wrapping,
laki ng
west
wrap mo
wrapping.
dyan, Duke. Ang laki ng wrap mo dyan. Keep walking,
Oh,
keep
cleanse,
walking.
please.
Keep walking, keep walking, keep walking, keep walking, keep walking. Look,
GA
look, look.
tayo.
Ano
Miss.
to?
Nag-gold
Keep walking, keep walking, keep walking. Yo, yo, envy.
North, north, north.
Yeah, yeah, keep
Nagmonta
walking.
ka eh.
Ready, look at me, south of me. Demon, west, 3, 2, 1, on me. Hit me, please, DPS, hit me.
Ang layo DPS.
Yes, oh my God. Come north, cycle fast.
Ayun yung iba.
Hindi mo malik.
Pwede na kayo mag-reset dyan.
Net maluwing ah.
Guys, you guys are basically farming them. Come south. Look, double
Oh,
OC.
wala na?
Yeah, come south, west.
Wala nata.
Come south.
Wanted up na.
Hindi na, ayaw na nila.
Mount up,
Ay,
everybody.
bo, shibal na yun.
Yo, kill that King 9X. Kill him. Demon here.
Tanga.
Dogs. Durog.
Gago, mutika na ako dun ah.
Naubos sila par.
Gago, boot spots ko, part.
Basta buhay.
Guys, you're gonna win as long as we follow the calls.
Uy, wag mag-trash talk, Dok. Pinaka-stupid niggers mo naman. Kalma par.
Nal daw yun. Tinatastok niya.
Ah, okay.
Titiinit ba yung gamit ni Green Ball?
Nakuha ko yung brim. 5M din to.
Paldo, trade mo sa akin.
Mali passive mo sa Assassin Hood tsaka sa boots mo. Nick Shin, kaya di ka nakakasabay.
Nakakatakot pag na-stun ako, wala akong way.
Oo nga, tapos sa cooldown si Nick Shin, ano?
Kulang sa cooldown.
Ayun, no? Gago lamang sila 1 kill.
Nakapatay sa...
They are bigger than us, but we could fight if we can just play all together.
5,
Tangina na bingot lang percent gauge eh.
6.
Bingot agad eh.
Hindi, wala
Six
din
patay
tayong
ko
alam na may
ngayon.
pump din sila eh.
Hindi ko na ma-GA yun. Tangan,
Kung
lalim
6
na.
pa tayo mo,
Bomba yun eh.
from
Tangina sakit no? Putang ka ng
Late
doon
ka.
song yun.
Bomba yun, counter ba?
Wala. Ayaw maniwala, Eugene.
Ang ina, wait
Sino?
lang, kabus
Kabot
agad
ako,
eh.
putang ina. Bagang, patay, I'm dead.
Debuff ko eh, pull ko, may dapat nauna ka.
Gago, napatay ko yung ano.
Ayaw maniwala.
5-4, pucha. Sarap.
Patay ko yung Brim Bomb. To the...
Everybody zone in. There's so much that we need to adjust, guys.
50 seconds pa ako.
Atlo.
Ang ina, buti may nagtulak sa amin kanina sa may southwest, putang ina mo. Patay sana kami dun.
Hindi rin on point yung GA Brim
Yung
nila.
brim.
Kaya kayo nakakapag
Dalawa yun eh.
Hindi mo kailangan i-defend na par. Bobo yung brim.
Tangina kahit na par, respect engage.
Yung ano
pa
lang
rin.
talaga, sobrang sakit yung doon song.
Yung
Oh, grabe
Yung
doon. So,
infinity
nila,
doon, so.
yung
Ang
bro
ina
na
doon.
hindi pasok sa GM, puta.
Nakakatawa
Hindi sila
ano, par.
makakuha ng timing pre, may nagbabantay kasi sa ano, sa heart par.
Ang ano pa nga din ang dismount nila eh, kita eh.
Brim.
May nakita kayo nagra-rap, stop nyo kagad, tangina.
Zone if you guys are. Look, we're gonna do VODs. We're gonna adjust something. There's a lot of adjustments that we needed to do. Yung mga arcanes ko, lahat kayo naka-cleanse, walang naka-mimic. That's why we're missing on guard runes. It's very important, especially on this kind of comp.
And then there's random demon armors again. And then there is unnecessary wraps. While we're doing VOD reviews, officer, to those who are applying, please.
7-3 na beam.
Yo, for the remainder of the season, maximize the crafting stations, the free world boss access, and the zones. Okay, since we're filling up with basically everybody that's around us, everyone that's around us. So yeah, just make sure you guys are. We do VOD review. There's a lot of you that are making mistakes. It's so hard to manage. Alright, everybody watch my stream here. Did all in party 2 came back? Regeared and came back?
Ano ko lang mabasag.
3, 2, 1, south on me, south on me, south on me, go this out. And then go back, south.
Look, I really hate seeing this. Look.
Be careful, don't
Careful over the wall,
dismounted
go
na.
north, go north.
I already told you, careful over the wall, go north, go north, go north. Look,
Careful over the wall, they're looking. Left. I told you. South, 3, 2, 1, south on me, south on me, south.
so it's very important, boys, that you guys are really actively listening, okay? You have to react. You have to react. And then use your common sense, okay? Like, for example here, Demi and Corvo, you shouldn't be dying here. Look,
Left.
I called for it already.
Don't
Careful
bomb.
over the wall,
Dismounted na.
go north.
These are avoidable deaths, you know?
Go north.
But you guys are not listening. Look.
Careful over the wall.
Lading na yan sila dyan sa south eh.
Careful over the walls.
They're looking. Left.
And then there's no reaction time.
I told you. South, 3.
Healers also, there's no reaction time. Look. What the fuck happened? Where are the heals? It's not one tap.
Careful over the wall, they're looking. Left.
See that? Except for Demi.
Clot.
This is not one shot.
I told you. South, 3, 2, 1, south on me, go this out. And then go back. Yo, ready defense here. Demon. Help the backline. Listen to me, help the backline. Heal the backline. Come on, walking mask, keep walking. Healers get, help the backline. Listen to me, help the backline, heal the backline. Come on.
Alright. In this kind of comp, especially if I'm using Earthrun, right? DPS, you always have to find the heart. That's the key. Find the fucking heart. And then if you are the heart, stop pulling everybody around. Okay? What I mean by that is that you don't need to like come here and then go back, come here and then go back. Just stay on one spot if you are the heart. Because everybody's gonna follow you. Okay? I'm just your crosshair. Do you play FPS game? Who plays CSGO here? Or Valorant? Or PUBG? The crown is just your crosshair. What does that mean? You only need to drop your E on me. When it comes to like moving point, it's always the heart. I'm just here to like angle myself from you guys. That's how I know where to go.
Keep walking west side, bedrock the south side. Keep walking west. Healers get out.
Dong.
Healers get out.
Watch this. Healers.
Keep walking west.
Why the fuck do I see healers crossing from this point to this point? Who is this?
Keep walking west.
Sino to? Black Mob. Stop crossing. Stop doing zigzags. Okay? Ganto. If you're on the north side, you move and wrap north side. Since everybody's wrapping. Don't do this. You know that the enemy's on our southeast, right? So you don't need to, like, also one Marcos. It's not just Black Mob. It's one Marcos also. Guys, move like a fucking Zerg, not like headless chickens.
Healers get out. Healers get out.
See?
Healers get out middle. Get out middle. Get out middle. Get out middle. Have your backline. Have your backline.
When we are kiting, healer should be around here. That's why you guys are in Holy Orb, so you can just throw it there. Spread around. Protect us. Heal us here. Because the more you clump up here, right? The more, like, it's so juicy for the enemy. If I was the defensive tank of the enemy, I'd just keep on holding you. I'm just gonna keep on holding you, waste my cooldown, get out, mount up, go to the back line, and then I'm gonna do it over and over.
Keep moving. Pa-uphold. Asan yung upholds? Come us. Uphold the north side. Uphold the north side. Uphold the north side. Pa-uphold the north side.
May book.
Yo, when I say occult the north side, right? You have to check the